Guy Fawkes and Bonfire Night. In 1605, King James I, the Protestant King of England, asked all Catholic priests to leave the country. Catholics were not happy with this, and a group of men wanted to kill the king. The men planned to blow up the Parliament on the 5th of November. They placed 36 barrels of gunpowder in a cellar under the Houses of Parliament. One of the men, Guy Fawkes, was a soldier. His job was to light the gunpowder. On the 5th of November, 2 hours before the king opened Parliament, a group of guards checked the cellar. Guy Fawkes was there with the gunpowder. They arrested him. The guards forced Guy Fawkes to tell them the names of the other men. They arrested them too, and killed them. King James I decided to celebrate. He asked the people of England to make great bonfires. People prepared guys from old clothes and straw, and burnt them on top of the bonfires. Bonfire Night is still a popular celebration all over Great Britain today. The British celebrate it with bonfires and fireworks.